Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to see how you can create Submagic account. Well, it is a very easy and simple process, so let's dive right into it. The first thing that you have to do is open any kind of browser on your PC. I'm going to use Google Chrome. And after opening your browser, now you have to tap on the search bar right here and start typing submagic.co. Here you can see I have typed down submagic.co, and all you have to do is tap on enter button on your keyboard, and this will take you to the official website of Submagic. And after opening the official website of Submagic, here you can see the option of try for free. Click on it and this will take you to this page. So in here you can see there are two different options: sign up with your Google and sign up with your email. If you want to directly sign up with your Google account, you can click on this option and directly connect your Submagic with your Google account. Here I'm going to click on email and then start typing my email address. And after typing down my email address, now I'm going to click on the password option and then start creating myself a password for my Submagic account. And after creating yourself a strong password for your Submagic account, all you have to do is click on sign up with email. And just like this, you can see you have now successfully created yourself a Submagic account for yourself. You can click on this profile icon right here and see this is your account, and you can even see your email address right here. And just like this, you can create yourself a Submagic account for yourself. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.